everybody. I want to do a quick review on the Bananas and Cream by Vaping Veteran Supplies. Great company. Top quality juice. And I got it here in my Sigelei 150 using the Heracles 0.2 ohm coil. This tank is awesome. They also sell it at Vaping Veteran Supplies, if you're interested. I have the 0.2 ohm coil in it. I've gone as high as 85 watts with no dry hits, which I can't say for the Crown by Ual. At 71 watts, super dry hits, same juice. Just letting you know. Anyway, I love Vaping Veteran Supplies juice. You can taste the banana, you can taste the cream. Kick-ass stuff. So I have to try my strawberries and cream. I've already tried my triple D's. I'm gonna let it steep for a bit. I have my peachy keen, which is I actually like using it in a dripper. And that's all I've gotten from them so far. I gotta place another order. I need some Tropical Suicide, some Mad Dog, and I'd like to try the Strawberry Reserve. Everybody's talking a lot about that. Anyway, there you go. Quick short review on Vaping Veterans Juice.